How to check loan balance in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your registered username and password. Once you are logged in and reach the home screen, look for the Accounts tab in the bottom menu. Tap on it to access your account details. Here you will see a list of your linked accounts. Select your auto loan account from the list to open its details. On this screen, you will be able to view your current loan balance, including the remaining principal, recent payments, and any outstanding amounts. Some apps may also display your payoff balance, which shows how much you would need if you decide to pay off the loan early. Make sure to review all the details carefully to stay updated with your loan progress and payment status. Now you know how to check your loan balance in the TD Auto Finance app anytime with just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.